And let's add some content to our cell, and let's see what happens here. So just copy and paste a paragraph here using our keyboard shortcuts. Now you can see we've got some issues have happened here. I put content in here and these cells have gotten really little. I'll show you how to fix that in a minute, but first I want to show you this little quirk. You'll notice here that the text that I copied and pasted has a background on it, which we typically don't like. This is a quirk of the current version that I'm using of Google Chrome. It doesn't do this in Firefox, but I'm using Chrome, so it's easy enough to fix though. We just highlight the text, go up to our little background color tool, and click the X. And the background is gone. So now let's look at how to deal with these shrinking cells. We want to keep them all the same size. So let's go to our table tool again. And what we need to do is we need to define the cell size. Right now we know the cells have 2 pixel wide borders, and that's what it tells us here. But it doesn't say how wide the cell is. It's not defined. So we're going to, because we have a 600 pixel wide table with 3 columns, we're going to make each cell, and we're going to say the table. So all the cells in this table, we're going to make 200 pixels. You can see what that did immediately. It made all of the cells the same size. So that's the first thing we want to deal with. Now let's have a look if we paste in a little bit more text. Let's go get just one sentence this time. And we'll go and paste it into our next cell. You can see now we have that same issue here, which we'll fix. We can see now that this text is now aligned to the middle vertically. And if I want it to align to the top, which I think frankly would look better, we need to set the align on all of our cells. And to do that, we'll bring our little tool up here. And we'll go text align. In this case, we'll go top. Now, if we look back, we can see the text now all aligns to the top. So if we put any content over in this cell, it also will align to the top. So that is a little bit about managing content. We'll talk a little bit more about padding and how to dress your content up in the next tutorial.